melting away here. Ooh, into the crevasse. Oh, down he goes. Look at that, I wasn't paying attention. Can I save it though? Nope. Back up. Ooh. Oh. Okay, so I did install on the back a fair lead as well as a snatch block, my friends. So there we go. This is a Reefs RC servo winch that's been mounted inside my truck. Right there. There's that new yellow line that I'm using. Remember, when you use a snatch block, you're using twice as much line, and the servo takes, or the winch takes twice as long to spool out. But it is twice the strength. Okay, it is set out to my pull point right there. I have not winched out in a very long time. It has been a long cold winter. Let's see what we can do here. Gonna start backing up. Going forward a little bit, trying to roll over. There it is. If only it was that easy in full size, hey? We're still straddling here, exactly where I got pulled to. Such a great background sky today, no wind. Oh, everything's melting. Oh yeah, soupy mud. Yes, bring it. Oh, it's just slop. This is the stuff I gotta be careful with my camera. It'll cover it immediately. Look at this, just fluids of the earth, sticky, goopy. Like I can slide around in that stuff. I was saying in another video, I don't think that there is any age group that splashing around in mud is really defined to. I've had people say that I'm a man-child for getting out and having fun, and I would have to agree with them. Over I go. Look at this. I never want to stop playing. That's the whole thing. Why? Life's short. Get muddy. Build trucks. Loving that 550 Can 3300 kV motor in there on 3S. Getting a little low now, but she's still pulling pretty hard. And for such a, what would, oh! Mud. Comment below if you're a mud puppy. I want to know if all you guys love mud out there too, or if you stay away from this stuff, because I got a lot of work to do to clean this up, but I ain't got nothing but time really on my plate right now. Trying to send a shout out to all the people stuck at home right now, maybe enjoying time with their families, but maybe you don't have any family. Just want to make sure you guys have some family here at RC Sparks, yeah? Mud bogging with overkill. Something we've all been waiting to see, and I wanted to make sure to take this opportunity to give it to you. Full speed. I need to wash my camera off.